Howdy, folks. It's me, Chester. You know, the gang and I were all hanging around, and we were brainstorming on ideas for more things that folks, well, just can't do anymore. Anyway, we came to a unanimous decision that we should make a trip to Pizza Hut. Now, I'm not talking a Pizza Hut where you get a pizza through a window or like half the counter at a Kentucky Fried Chicken. No, it's a real Pizza Hut with tables and booths, and hey, remember Wing Street? Now, I do kind of miss the chandeliers that had the stained glass Pizza Hut logo on them, but this place is great, and the folks are friendly, and the pizza's delicious. Tastes like growing up in the 90s. You know what I mean? Well, I couldn't help myself. I had to eat the whole thing. It was good. All right, well, pet my butt, and I'm about ready for a nap. There we go. I hope you had fun, folks, and you know what? I love you. Have a good one. Mwah.